Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Fix. Now, I've been asked to have a look at this heat line. They got no hot water or heating, and there's a red light flashing on it. They've asked me to come down and diagnose it for them and repair it, hopefully. And as you know about these heat lines, they've been bankrupt for about a couple of years now. They've been bust for about, I don't know, 5-6 years. So the part's a bit difficult to get, and the customers doesn't want to change the boiler. Well, the landlord doesn't want to change the boiler because it's a rented property. Right, I quickly noticed the fan is seized on it. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to lubricate it and see if that works for them. Guys, sorted this heat line out. The fan on it was seized. So I've sorted the fan out, lubricated it, it's all working fine. If it goes again, we're going to have to change the fan on that. But hopefully you enjoy the video. Until next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix. You want to come in the film? Right guys, unfortunately after a few days, guess what? The fan stopped working again. So I had to order a new one, which wasn't a new one, it was a reconditioned one, because you can't get the new ones, and if you can get them, they're going to be extremely expensive. So I got a new one, a reconditioned one, and I'm going to put that in this video, and hopefully the boiler will start working fine after that. You got TikTok?
Yes.
Did you just dance?
Nothing, just
Do you have TikTok videos?
no. So what's the name?
Birmingham Boiler Fix. Boiler Fix. Oh boy, how do I do this? Oh, we're changing them to yep. Right guys, came down a couple of days ago. This fan wasn't working. Right, it wasn't working. So I put some, lubricated it and got it going for about a week. Couple of days, stopped working again. After a couple of days, stopped working again. So they asked me to come back and lubricate again, and I ordered a new fan for them. So it was working for a couple of days, but we had to change it. Changed it to a new fan there. And let's test it out now here. So, and the fans come on, and the boiler's quite off. So Hopefully no more problems in it.
He's for 2 or 3 years.
No, you still got.
So last time, what you changed last time?
We changed nothing.
I think it's a board. I think.
Is it wood?
Yeah.
Can't remember.
Yeah.
Pressure.
Going up?
Hmm?
I think so.
Yeah, remember I told you the pressure is the other problem with this. You need to put a drum over here.
So this is a protection sheet.
Yeah.
So there's a protection sheet.
Yeah. Did you subscribe to my channel?
No, follow.
But did you follow?
Yeah, follow.
What's my useless? Useless ones. Actually, the useful one. People phone me for it.
It's good for marketing, you know.
Yeah, no. It's very good for working.
You bit like sunnier side, on the sunnier side.
Hmm?
You bit like on the sunnier side. So people have like dopamine releasing the human body.
Yeah.
That's a good thing.
Funny side. You have to keep. You have to. Otherwise, the thing is, I get bored after playing it. And then I stop playing.
Yeah.
Then they'll be phoning me.
Yeah.
Alright, that's yours done. Okay. No more issues on you. Watch this then. Guys, I've just repaired this boiler. The fan was intermittently going off on it. So I came down one day, I lubricated it, and got it going. From 2 days later, it went down again. So I came back, lubricated, but this time I ordered a new fan for him. Now, as you know, HeatLine, right, they're extinct. Basically, they're not making them anymore. So I had to get a reconditioned fan for it. I got a reconditioned fan, put that in now. Hopefully, that's it, sorted, and keep on going. I'll probably get them another 4 or 5 years more. They'll probably change the boiler eventually, before that anyway. But at least it's working for them now. Get them through the winter. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix.